Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Yantrabhasa. In this video I am going to show you how to find the difference between two images using Python pillow module. So I have downloaded an image from internet, a Tom and Jerry photo, and for the same photo I added some shapes on the body of cat as well as on the image to prepare a second photo. This is the second one, and in this video I am going to write one script which will find the difference between these two images and print only the difference image. Like it will print only the shapes as a result, and it will save as an image. So let's go and write the script. Let's create a empty Python file here with name pyimage diff. So before that, let's go and install pillow module. So here I am using the Python 3 version 3.8.2, and I am giving pip3 install pillow. It is showing requirements already satisfied, as I have already installed them. If it is not installed, it will get installed after giving this command. So let's go and write the script. So from the pillow module which you have downloaded, you import image and ImageChops. So we are using these two functions from the pillow module. So let's take the one image into one image1 variable by giving Image.open and the image name. The image name is Image1 here. Let's do the same for other image2. So now we have two variables, image1 and image2, which have with that we can open those images. Now we are taking difference into difference variable and using ImageChops function dot difference and giving image1 and image2 as inputs. So difference.save as difference.jpg. Yeah, that's it. So let's go and run this script. Sorry, I have two versions of Python, so let's run it with Python 3. So it ran successfully. So the diff image got generated with only the symbols. Let me quickly arrange the images side by side so that you can understand it properly. So this is the final thing. So we have image1 and image2 and difference. So this is how we can write a script to find the difference between the two images. It's a very simple script, and if you have any further requirements or if you have any queries, you can comment. Thank you for watching.